Hi, let's see how to make jackfruit seed kolukatta. Jackfruit seeds has high health benefits. If you have digestive issues, diabetes, or if you are looking for hunger control foods for weight loss, this is the best one to go for. Remove the seeds from the jackfruit flesh. Jackfruit seed has this thin covering over it. You have to remove it before cooking. Boiling 1.5 to 2 cups of water, 1 cup of rice flour, half cup grated coconut. Now let's make coconut milk out of the grated coconut. Now let's add the hot water to the rice flour little by little and stir it well. Make sure to use a spoon for mixing it, and the final consistency of the rice flour should be, if you make a ball out of it, it should not stick in your hands. So this is the right consistency. After grinding the grated coconut into a fine paste, we are filtering it, and that's our coconut milk. So our coconut milk is ready. Now let's grind the jackfruit seed in a mixer. So that's our jackfruit seed. Let's mix the jackfruit seed with the rice flour. After mixing them up, heat the coconut milk. Heat it in low flame. Add sugar as required. While the coconut milk is boiling, let's make some shapes for our kolukatta. I made shapes like round, oval, cylindrical, just to attract my kids' attention. So different shapes of kolukatta is ready to boil. When the coconut milk starts boiling, add all the kolukatta inside. Let it boil in low flame for around 10 to 15 minutes. Add 2 cardamoms to it. After boiling for around 10 to 15 minutes, our coconut milk is getting thicker. You have to shake in between like this. Don't use spoon for stirring because our kolukatta might break. So once the coconut milk has become thick, we can switch off the stove and our kolukatta is ready to serve hot. Do try it home and let me know how it tasted. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.